like to thank the MSUF concert singers and their choir master, Professor Josephine J. Classic. MSUF administrators, faculty members, non-teaching and support staff, students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning and welcome to the expanded tertiary education equivalency and accreditation program or ETIAP General Orientation. And before we move further, may I call Dr. Benilda M. Villanas, ETIAP Chairperson and Vice President for Academic Affairs, for the introduction of MSUF officials and faculty assessors or ETIAP staff.
Good morning, everybody. This is the first day of what will probably be the rest of your life. So good morning again, and I'd like to welcome you all to what will be your alma mater come March. I always say that's the opening of my talk before ETIAP students, because I would like them to be focused on their goal. And your goal is to still be here, seated, when we meet each other at the end of the year, and in the culmination of the realization of your dreams, which is sometime in March when you defend, or in February, late February, when you defend your individual project or thesis papers, and then finally in April when you march and wear your toga, signifying that you are graduates of your respective programs at the end of the year. So don't focus on the 1 year, focus on the fact that before you can hardly wink, you'll find out that you will all be resplendent in black a few months from now, wearing your graduation program. Always keep that in mind. And that will be one surefire guarantee that you're not going to drop off from the program. Okay, but before we do, I'd like to introduce to our ETIAP students, the distinguished members of the ETIAP team of Iberville University, and the other assessors. Not all of them could be here because some of them have classes in the graduate school, but we have our teams right here with us this morning. On the farthest end of the presidential table, we have Dr. Rosalina Bailongo of the College of Education. A very seasoned team whose college is the Teacher Induction Program Trainer or Center of Training, one of the few Center of Trainings in the teacher education program in the country, and whose college is vying for either a Center of Development or Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, also one of the few in the country. So you're in good hands if you are in the teacher education program. After her is the acting dean of the College of Computer Studies, Mr. Bernardo Villeza. Ogie, or acting dean Villeza, both of both industry and academic background. He was, when he was a student, our most outstanding thesis writer in his batch. So again, you can be sure that because he has just come from industry, he will make sure that those who are in the CPS program or in the IT program will get the best of industry and academia. For the College of Business Administration, Dean Pat Padilla cannot be here with us this morning because of professional commitments, but one of the senior assessors is here with us, the chairperson of the Accountancy Department, Mr. Armando Orbinanza. He just recently was one of the finalists in the Financial Executives Institute's search for most outstanding faculty in financial management and accountancy. And then we have the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Claudia Odette Ayala. So she heads the college that has the only level 4 accreditation in the entire country for the liberal arts program. Our other deans will come over in a little while because they are in graduate school. We also have our university registrar this morning, and we invite him to the presidential table, Mr. Mauro F. Egladea. So he is the point person with whom you will transact in terms of your credentials, your birth certificate, transcript of records, all of the nitty-gritties that you need, the documentary requirements before we send you off to the world of the professional. So later on, I will introduce the others to come. Thank you very much. Good morning.
Thank you, Dr. Villanas. At this point, let me invite all of you first to watch this short video presentation entitled MSU-UF in a Nutshell.